Hi, my name is Krystal Alanis, and I am a partner with Reddy & Newman PC, practicing exclusively in employment-based immigration law. I'm also the managing attorney for our PERM Labor Certification Department, where I oversee all EB2 and EB3 employment-based green card matters, and I've actually been with Reddy & Newman now for over 12 years. Alright, so the Department of Labor has issued updated PERM processing times as of January 31st, 2024 for both PERM applications and for prevailing wage determinations. Now, according to the Department of Labor, the National Prevailing Wage Center is processing prevailing wage requests that were filed in July of 2023. So that means they're going to take about 7 months to process. But practically speaking, we are seeing them being processed in about 6 months, maybe a little bit less. Now, if you've submitted a wage request with a wage survey, the DOL is saying to expect about 12 months to process those requests. Also, the National Prevailing Wage Center is processing redetermination requests submitted in June of 2023. Okay, so now moving over to the actual PERM adjudications. The Department of Labor is processing PERM applications filed in January of 2023. And then on average, the DOL is adjudicating PERMs in about 393 days. So that's going to be over 1 year now, folks. This is up about 30 days from the last report that they put out. Also, the DOL is processing audits for PERM applications filed in December of 2022. And on average, the total processing time, if the PERM is audited, is going to be about 480 days. So if your PERM application is audited, expect an additional 3 months for adjudication for a total of about 16 months. Also, the DOL is processing PERM reconsideration requests that were submitted in March of 2023. And then currently at Reddy & Newman, we're seeing PERM applications approved in about 12 months or more, which is pretty consistent with the average processing times reported by the DOL. So we're seeing most of our approvals coming in from January 2023 filings, some still lingering from December 2022, and then none, at least as of today, from February 2023 filings. So, okay, why is the DOL taking so long to process these applications? You know, they're basically saying it's due to a lack of funding and because of inflation. They're also having to reallocate their resources from the PERM program to the H-2A and H-2B program when necessary. But you know, I think despite all of these issues the DOL is having, they really need to take advantage of the streamlined system they set out to create in 2005. I mean, in their very own preamble to the 2005 final rule, they had an estimated adjudication of PERMs in 45 to 60 days. So they're obviously way off from their goal and the initial timeline that they set out for themselves. So these PERM applications and prevailing wage determinations have had a big impact on both employers and their employees. That's why it's very important for employers and employees to stay updated on these PERM processing times and really plan to begin the employment-based green card process as early as possible to avoid any potential issues with the foreign worker's temporary work visa and ability to remain and work in the U.S. beyond that maximum period of stay until they get far enough into that green card process. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any immigration-related questions at all, please feel free to visit us at rnlawgroup.com. You can also find all of my information there. And you can also follow me on Twitter, which I guess is now called X. And my Twitter X handle is Krystal_Alanis. Thank you.